International employment is a prime opportunity for companies looking to achieve a more diverse and innovative workforce. And now, with the rise of remote work and virtual teams, it's given employers incentive to look beyond their local markets for the best talent. Here are 6 tips and tricks for managing international benefits and compensation. Number 1, know that bonus plans may pose risk. Bonus payments that are a large percentage of employees' total pay can fall under regulatory scrutiny by the local government in some countries. Number 2, international benefits and compensation costs can multiply. Make sure you carefully consider how total compensation is defined in a foreign country before you make an employment offer. Number 3, collective bargaining agreements may be a factor. In some areas of the world, collective bargaining agreements, or negotiations between trade unions and employers that determine working conditions and terms of employment, can play a large role in how you manage international benefits and compensation. Across the EU, 60% of employees are covered by collective bargaining. Number 4, local culture will influence expectations. You'll need to understand whether company benefits will integrate with cultural norms in the country you're planning to hire. This can be a difficult undertaking when you don't have an in-country HR team to guide you. Number 5, go beyond minimum statutory requirements. Your company's benefits package can be a competitive advantage when attracting and retaining international workers. So try to go beyond minimum statutory requirements whenever possible. For a greater competitive edge, you can differentiate employee benefits by offering unique perks, like unlimited PTO or monthly meal allowances. Number 6, partner with local HR experts. If you're looking to hire global talent quickly, consider partnering with a global employer of record, sometimes known as an international PEO, that has in-country HR teams to guide you. An employer of record, like Global Employment Outsourcing, will ensure employee contracts are compliant with the local law and can help you benchmark international salary and tailor a competitive benefits plan that takes local customs into account. For more, visit safeguardglobal.com/geo.